Hi everyone, today we'll be reviewing the Bose SOUNDLINK Mini and I will give my verdict on you and let you know if it stands a chance with its price range against other competitors. Okay, then taking a look at the Bose SOUNDLINK Mini, it does look very appealing as it's all made from metal, just aluminium body and the metal housing at the front, and it's Bose in big writing, and there's a lot of competitors such as the Beats Pearls and Logitech Boom. They do sound good, but for this speaker in particular, it's only compared to sound, and sound like a full range sound system. So on the side here you see the 3.5mm audio input, and the DC, what's 12 volts. On the other side there is nothing there, and at the top you have the buttons, such as the power on off, the mute button, the volume down, the volume up, the Bluetooth button and the auxiliary button. Look at the back, you can't see anything, but if you look carefully you'll be able to see the extra bass radiator. You can also charge this Bluetooth speaker not just only by the DC here, but the Bose cradle. We will demonstrate here. Just put it on there. And this powers back again by the same DC there, if you can just see it. Just there. Same charger and everything, but you can just cradle it. This is easier, sooner you don't have to put any wires in or anything. You just simply dock it on there, and then it's ready to go. Bluetooth starting, you just simply hold this button until you see a blue light there flashing. Get a phone or device and click Mini SOUNDLINK. As you see, it's all, and it'll stay white and make that sound as soon as it's connected. Once you have it connected, you're ready to go. So it's at a low volume now, gradually turning this up. So at this low volume you can definitely hear every bit of bass, mid and high. It's around 50% now. It is a loud piece of kit, this, compared to the other competitors such as the Beats Pearl. When purchasing, tried them all and this came out top. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this speaker. Oh, that's just a mute button. I'd say out of 10 it's a 9. Obviously, knowing Bose, they do tend to update the products every year, so a new one might be coming with improved sound and battery life. For battery life, you get 6 hours continuous playbacks through Bluetooth. On auxiliary, I think it's the same, but I'm not really sure. It tends to last me about 3-4 days after listening to it, an hour a day. Standby is very good for standby. For everything, it's brilliant. It's portable. There's a SOUNDLINK, what I'll be doing the review next. It's much bigger, but this one is smaller and it's still more compact, but it packs the punch. It retails at £169 and $200. It's well worth every penny. I would pay up to, I'd say £200, around $250. I'd say that's the maximum I'd pay for a speaker this side and this sound. You can place this anywhere. It sounds phenomenal, especially on desks. It sounds even better, as you can imagine. This sort of vibrates to the bass, and that enhances the low frequencies. Inside, I think the 2 inches driver. I'm not really sure. Please correct me in the comments below. And at the front you have a little radiator there you can see, and at the back you have the same radiator. What stops any unwanted vibrations and keep the speaker in one place and enhances the low frequencies. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to rate, thumbs up, comment, leave your comments below. I'm sure I'll try my hardest to get back to you. Thanks, guys. Bye.